的美好一天 A wonderful day for Cinnamoroll Cinnamoroll wakes up in his soft bed
大耳狗的美好一天。
A wonderful day for Cinnamoroll. Cinnamoroll wakes up in his soft bed when the sun rises.
当太阳升起时，大耳狗在它柔软的床上醒来。
Cinnamoroll wakes up in his soft bed when the sun rises. He opens the window and sees the good weather.
他打开窗户，看到了好天气。
He opens the window and sees the good weather. A white cloud in the sky looks like cotton candy.
天空中的一朵白云看起来像棉花糖。
A white cloud in the sky looks like cotton candy. He goes to the kitchen to eat breakfast.
他走进厨房吃早餐。
He goes to the kitchen to eat breakfast. He drinks some milk and eats a red apple.
他喝了一些牛奶，吃了一颗红苹果。
He drinks some milk and eats a red apple. He puts his water bottle into his bag.
他把水瓶放进他的袋子里。
He puts his water bottle into his bag. Cinnamoroll rides his bike to go out.
大耳狗骑着他的脚踏车出门。
Cinnamoroll rides his bike to go out. The cold wind touches his big ears.
凉爽的风吹过他的大耳朵。
The cold wind touches his big ears. He arrives at the beautiful park.
他抵达了美丽的公园。
He arrives at the beautiful park. He sits on the green grass under a tall tree.
他坐在高大树木下的绿草地上。
He sits on the green grass under a tall tree. He smells a beautiful flower.
他闻了一朵美丽的花。
He smells a beautiful flower. He sits on a chair at the wooden table.
他坐在木桌旁的一张椅子上。
He sits on a chair at the wooden table. He takes out a crayon to draw a picture.
他拿出一支蜡笔来画图画。
He takes out a crayon to draw a picture. He draws a clean river and a small dog.
他画了一条干净的河流和一只小狗。
He draws a clean river and a small dog. His friend comes to play with a ball and a yo-yo.
他的朋友带着一颗球和一个溜溜球来玩。
His friend comes to play with a ball and a yo-yo. It is time for lunch, so they walk to a store.
午餐时间到了，所以他们走到一间商店。
It is time for lunch, so they walk to a store. He buys a yummy hamburger and sweet juice.
他买了一个美味的汉堡和甜甜的果汁。
He buys a yummy hamburger and sweet juice. His friend eats a hot dog and drinks soda.
他的朋友吃了一份热狗并喝了汽水。
His friend eats a hot dog and drinks soda. Suddenly, there is heavy rain.
突然间，下起了大雨。
Suddenly, there is heavy rain. He uses his cell phone to call for a bus.
他用手机叫了一辆公车。
He uses his cell phone to call for a bus. They take the bus back home.
他们搭公车回家。
They take the bus back home. Cinnamoroll sits on the sofa in the living room.
大耳狗坐在客厅的沙发上。
Cinnamoroll sits on the sofa in the living room. He turns on the TV to watch a cartoon.
他打开电视看卡通。
He turns on the TV to watch a cartoon. For dinner, he has spaghetti and cake.
晚餐他吃了意大利面和蛋糕。
For dinner, he has spaghetti and cake. He goes to his bedroom, turns off the lamp, and sleeps.
他走进他的房间，关掉台灯，然后睡觉了。
He goes to his bedroom, turns off the lamp, and sleeps.
大耳狗的美好一天 A wonderful day for Cinnamoroll Cinnamoroll wakes up in his soft bed when the sun rises 当太阳升起时，大耳狗在它柔软的床上醒来 Cinnamoroll wakes up in his soft bed when the sun rises